Carl Tofflemire with Porsche South Bay, and we're here today to present you an update on our 1983 911 SC Cabriolet. Some of the very nice attributes about this car are its originality. When we open the doors, we find the original body stickers. This mastic here was originally placed in the car at the factory, so the struts or strut housings are original. It means that we're going to have to replace it. The original build sticker is up underneath the trunk here in place. This car has European H4 headlights, which would not be stock, but they are preferred, so we're going to retain those. This is what we call the whale tail. This should, for the era, have a turbo tail on it, which would be a collared tail. Having said that, it's a clean look, and we're going to keep it. As much as the car looks good in its original paint, there are just enough flaws that have tipped us over from trying to touch it up to doing a complete repaint on the car.